Good morning student, welcome back. Today we will learn about our new chapter, that is dissolution of partnership firm. There are two things. First one is dissolution of partnership and another one thing is dissolution of firm. Dissolution of firm means discontinue of economic relationship between the partner and the business is closed down. Whereas dissolution of partnership means the relationship between the partners will change and the remaining partners may continue its business under the same firm name with a new agreement. Thus, admission, retirement, death of a partner are considered as a dissolution of partnership. Some basic difference between dissolution of partnership and dissolution of firm. First one is on the basis of closure. Dissolution of partnership does not require closure of book since the business is not terminated, whereas dissolution of firm requires closure of the book of all accounts since the business is terminated. Second one basis is court's intervention. In case of dissolution of partnership, there is no intervention by court since the partnership is dissolved by mutual agreement, whereas in case of dissolution of firm, a firm can be dissolved either without the intervention of court or by court's order. Next one basis is settlement of account. In the case of dissolution of partnership, assets are revalued and liabilities are reassessed, whereas in case of dissolution of firm, all the assets other than cash are realized and liabilities are paid. Next one is on the basis of relationship. In case of dissolution of partnership, economic relationship between the partners continues through in a change from, whereas in case of dissolution of firm, economic relationship between the partners come to an end. On the basis of continuity of business. In case of dissolution of partnership, the firm continues its business, whereas in case of dissolution of the firm does not continue its business as it ceases to exist. Accounting procedures on dissolution of firm. In order to close the book of the firm on dissolution, the following accounts are opened in the order given below. First one, realization account. Second one, partners loan account. Third one is partners capital account, and fourth one is cash or bank account. So first one is realization account. Realization account. It is a nominal account opened in the event of dissolution of firm. The purpose of this account is to find out profit or loss on realization of assets and payment of liability. It is opened for disposing of all the assets of the firm and making payment to all the creditors. The object of preparing realization account is to close the book of account of the dissolved firm and to determining profit or loss on the realization assets and payment of liability. To prepare the realization account, following steps are taken. Step 1. Transfer all assets. All assets of the firm except cash, bank, accumulated profit, debit balance of partner's capital or current account, or loan to partner are transferred at the book value to the debit side of the account. Step 2. Transfer all liabilities. All external liabilities are transferred to credit side of the account, excluding credit balance of profit and loss account, loan from partner, accumulated profit and reserve, partner's capital or current account. Step 3. Credit with the amount of assets realized. Amount assets realized on sale of assets is credited to the account. Step 4. Debit for settlement of external liability. Amount paid to settle the liabilities is debited to the account. Step 5. Debit for realization expense. Amount paid on expense incurred on dissolution are also debited to the account. Step 6. Transfer to the balance The balance in the account is either profit or loss, which is transferred to partners' capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Thank you. Have a nice day.